plenty going on over the next few days.
Sure do. And I want to emphasize, this is not going to be like an all-weekend event.
Okay, that's
there will be
helpful to
breaks. Yeah, there will be breaks, but there will also be some snow and wintry mix to deal with at times. Nice day out there today, but you can see some clouds starting to spread into western Maine and New Hampshire out ahead of the storm system. A northwest wind, a downsloping wind, warmed the coastline into the low 50s, but look at Rangeley 32. That's a sign of things to come. Cold high pressure is building down from the north. At the same time, warmth is coming up from the south. And what that will mean tomorrow is a big temperature contrast across the northeast. And this front will basically get stuck and just oscillate a little bit tomorrow and then start to come north late in the day on Sunday. And out ahead of that, we'll have waves of precipitation that ride along it over the weekend. It's not one consolidated storm, but we'll have periods of snow and a wintry mix through the weekend. If you're stepping out this evening, no weather problems. By midnight tonight, some snow showers over in New Hampshire, but most of Maine is dry. It's really after midnight into the early morning hours of tomorrow that snow develops, and it will be cold enough that this will accumulate from the beginning. 6 o'clock in the morning from about Bangor south and west, we'll be dealing with snow. There likely will be some sleet in York County, and that will lower the totals over southern York County, and there won't be much at all in northern and eastern Maine. You actually have a chance to see that partial eclipse at sunrise tomorrow way up over the crown of Maine. The rest of us will be cloudy, though. By 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, still some areas of snow in southern Maine, sleet in southern York County, and then the front starts to go south a bit. So we actually turn a bit drier tomorrow afternoon. There may just be a little light mix or some light snow that moves through York County during the afternoon, but the rest of the state will dry out, and there may actually be some sun over far northern Maine. Now, tomorrow night, the precipitation is to our southwest, so we do get a bit of a break, and most of the accumulating snow from this first round is on the ground by early tomorrow afternoon. Now, with the shift south, we have pulled the amount south a little bit. Portland's in the 3 to 6, but then a drop off south of there because of some sleet. On the other end, there just isn't much moisture in eastern and northern Maine, so the amounts drop off there. Best chance for 6 inches or more would be in northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Now, tomorrow night, most of Maine will be dry, but there may be some light sleet or some light freezing rain developing in western Maine. More of that over into New Hampshire. And then during the day on Sunday, the wind changes direction a bit, so the coast may warm to near or above freezing. So while we'll have a mix out there, it's probably not much freezing rain during the day on Sunday. There may be some freezing rain inland, though, especially Sunday afternoon and Sunday night while we warm up along the coastline. And by Monday, most of us are just dealing with rain. Now, obviously, whenever you hear about freezing rain, power outages become a concern. The highest chance for those look to be in New Hampshire and Vermont. Around here, we think it's a low risk, but something we'll have to watch over the weekend. Tomorrow sees 2 to 3 feet with a northeast wind, 15 to 20 knots. So if you're stepping out tonight, no problems. Tomorrow morning in central and southern Maine, there will be snow, but it does look like it wraps up early to mid-afternoon, so it should turn drier later tomorrow. Then tomorrow night, just some patches of wintry mix in far southern Maine. That comes back north on Sunday, probably mostly in the form of some sleet, but there could be some freezing rain inland Sunday night, and then we warm into the 50s on Monday. So Brian, even if there is some freezing rain, the good news is Monday the temperatures warm up and everything will melt.
Big help there.
Yeah, it's not like the winter time where that could stay on branches for days and days.
Quick arrival, quick departure.
Yeah.
That's good news. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.